Alright, well thanks for tuning in to George's Car Vids. This is going to be a little more of a serious video today. It's noon. It's actually more like 1 o'clock on Monday. I just got done filming a video on a Cherokee, and I got a phone call as soon as I got back that my kid has been involved in yet another wreck. Now this one is a little worse than the first one, and there's some issues with this one. So we're definitely going to be saying goodbye to the 11 Subaru and its short-lived run on our channel. I'm glad, and we'll get into this once you see the carnage that's left, why you should really keep an eye on your kids, and why I now thoroughly like Life 360. Alright, well here is what is left of the 2011 Subaru Legacy. As you can see, it looks like maybe there was a small fire here. It completely cooked the battery. I mean, the impact is pretty horrific. As you can see, this car is cooked. It's done. This one barely made it any length of time before he completely and utterly demolished this damn thing. This was a nice car. This was a real nice car at one time. Here in a minute, I'm going to have to gather up some stuff of his out of here. I'm going to call the junkyard, see what they'll give me for it. I'm fixing to lose my ass again on another car. But I didn't even see this side, but scraped all down the rear quarter. Yeah, this is cooked. He's getting stitches in his finger right now. He's got a little bit of pain, but guys, he's lucky. And I thank God the guy that he rear-ended did not get hurt and walked away, as well as him, with very minor bumps, cuts, and bruises. This could have been a lot worse. I'm going to throw up the Life 360 because this is a conversation I'm fixing to have with the kid. And I'm going to throw that up right now. So just to show you this, just so you can see, this is a 90-mile-an-hour impact with another vehicle. I'm debating on how I'm going to handle this with this kid, because I'm pretty upset. I'm thankful, and I'm blessed in the fact that he's not hurt any worse than what he is, and that the guy that he hit didn't even have to take an ambulance ride, and left with I think no injuries, no cuts, no nothing. The kid's gonna have some stitches. I'm gonna yank his license for probably a little bit. I'm sure it's gonna be a while before I even consider buying him another car. So just to clue this in, that's a 90-mile-an-hour impact. As you can see, it completely ripped the hood latches. You can see the buckle in the pillar here. You can see the fender. I mean, it did its job. The thing crumpled everywhere it's supposed to crumple. I mean, as you can see, the battery is completely and utterly shot. Let's see if I can even... Yeah, that hood's a suggestion. You can see the hood impacted. It cracked the intake. I'm pretty sure it's power steering pump. So yeah, she's cooked. She's definitely cooked. Let me clean the kid's stuff out real quick, get the plate off the back, and then we'll reconvene and wrap this up. Alright, so I just went back in the tow truck office. I'm going to make some arrangements, try to get this thing out of here as quick as I can. Again, you know, if you have kids, you really need to have a discussion with them about how fast they drive and what they're doing on the road. We have Life 360 on all the kids, so I was able to pretty much tell what he had did to get this accident, and I just talked to the tow truck driver, and that story didn't get any better. So, again, if you like stuff like this, consider subscribing. Tell me some horror stories about some teenage drivers. Make me feel a little bit better, because I feel like crap right now, guys. I really kind of like this car, and I ain't had it that long. Man, it just sucks. Alright, I'll have another one together for you soon. I'll see you then.